So in a few, lipat natin yung mount ng camera, the handlebar. Sadly, no, isa lang yung pwede kong paglagyan ng mount sa handlebar kasi naka-clip-ons yung bike. So actually I have to remove pa yung what I call this, yung quad lock or push lock should I say, para lang magkaroon ng pwesto tong camera. So let's see, lilipat ko rin siya, tatakot ako mahulog eh. Yan, lipat na natin siya. Just trying out a few shots. Alam natin kakalabasan. Actually may nakita akong shot sa TikTok and a template from CapCut. Trending ngayon eh. So try natin gayahin. Go! Pagas pala muna tayo. Dala ba ang wallet? Lisensya. Right, so aspiring motovlogger ako. Actually medyo may katagalan na yung channel ko eh, pero sobrang walang engagement. You can follow me guys on YouTube, TikTok. I don't have a Facebook yet, but we'll see. Oh god, traffic. Talang downside dito eh, ganitong oras paakyat ng Tagaytay, because this is where I live. So medyo ganitong oras, medyo hassle talaga. Ay nako, hopefully hindi basa. Oh shucks, basa. Where should I go? Basa in traffic. So I guess it's not gonna be a good idea to go out. Dito lang ta. Anyway, the original plan was paakyat ng Tagaytay, but look at the traffic, man. Ay. 3:30 pa lang ha. Alam ko dapat mamaya pa kasi labasan ng mga students. Bato ba yun? That sucks. So I guess wala tayong choice but to go somewhere else. Ligot kaya ako ng Galax? Yeah? No, not the thing so.